All right, YouTube, time for an update on the F150 project. So, a couple of things were done and a couple of things are going to be done. First off, we got the windows tinted up here at the front. Swapped out the headlights, so those are looking a lot nicer. Took out that front license plate bracket. And one major thing that was done was a 2-inch leveling kit up at the front. So now the front end is gonna level out with the back. Actually, it rides just a little bit higher, but that'll get us ready for the next phase of the project. You see, Artemis is happy about it. Next phase of the project is gonna be stripping this whole thing down and painting it. Now we got some wheels and tires already ordered for this thing, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what they look like. I got them from Custom Offset, so I'll bring one out. Now, as I said before, I got these wheels and tires, the whole combo, off of customoffsets.com. And these are the Anthem Road Avenger, Off-Road Avenger, with the Arturo tires on there. These are 33-inch tires, and the whole thing, the tire from side to side, is 12.5 inches, and the wheel itself is 12 inches. Let's see how it compares to the wheels that are on there. Oh yeah, that'll look a lot better with those on there. Now once those go on there, it'll also get a paint job and it'll all come together. Stay tuned if you want to see how it all turns out.